Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and today's episode might be the most important one we've done.
And I'm Sam. Strong statement, Emma, but I actually agree.
If you are new here, welcome. Real English, real conversations, no stress.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. New episodes every week right here.
Okay, Sam. Today, we are talking about fear.
Specifically, the fear of speaking to native English speakers.
That specific paralysis that hits you.
Right before you have to open your mouth.
And we are giving you 3 psychological tricks.
To delete that fear immediately.
Not reduce it, delete it.
Strong words.
Strong episode.
Okay, let's go.
So first, let me ask you something. When you are about to speak to a native speaker, what goes through your mind?
Honestly, a lot of things at once. Is my grammar right? Will they understand me? Will they judge my accent? What if I use the wrong word?
And all of that happens in about 2 seconds.
Before you've even said hello.
And by the time you process all those thoughts,
The moment has passed, or you're already stumbling.
and that stumble confirms every fear you had.
It becomes a self-fulfilling cycle.
Fear creates hesitation, hesitation creates mistakes,
Mistakes confirm the fear.
and the fear gets bigger next time.
It's exhausting.
So today, we break the cycle
With 3 specific psychological tricks.
that actually work, not just theory.
Okay, trick 1.
Understanding the spotlight effect.
The spotlight effect. What is that?
It's a psychological phenomenon. It's where you believe everyone around you is paying attention to you.
Watching, judging, noticing every mistake.
Like a spotlight is shining directly on you.
And only you.
When in reality, nobody is watching that closely.
Because everyone is too focused on themselves.
Exactly. Every person in that room is dealing with their own spotlight effect.
Worrying about how they appear.
What people think of them.
Whether they said something weird.
Nobody has extra mental bandwidth to judge your grammar.
They're too busy worrying about their own stuff.
Studies have actually shown this.
Really?
Yes, researchers asked people to wear an embarrassing shirt and then enter a room of people.
Okay, and
The person wearing the shirt thought about half the room noticed.
but actually only about 20% had even see it.
We dramatically overestimate how much others notice us.
So when you make a grammar mistake speaking English,
You think everyone heard it and is judging you.
but most people barely registered it and moved on immediately.
That is genuinely freeing when you really absorb it, because you've been performing for an audience that isn't actually watching
The pressure was self-created.
all along.
Wow.
So the next time you feel that spotlight,
Remind yourself, nobody is watching that closely.
they are in their own spotlight.
Just like you.
And that thought alone can cut the fear significantly.
Okay, trick 2.
The 5-second rule.
Oh, I know this one. Mel Robbins, right?
Exactly. And it applies perfectly to speaking fear.
Explain it for people who haven't heard of it.
So the basic idea is this. When you feel the hesitation before doing something scary,
Like speaking English to a native.
you count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you act immediately.
Before your brain talks you out of it.
Because here's what happens in that hesitation window.
Your brain starts generating reasons not to do it.
What if I say it wrong? What if they don't understand?
What if I freeze halfway through?
Every second you wait, more reasons appear.
And the fear gets bigger.
But if you act within 5 seconds,
Before the brain fully activates the anxiety response,
you bypass the fear cycle entirely.
you just speak.
Before fear has time to stop you.
And once the first words are out,
The momentum takes over.
The hardest part is always the first word.
Always. Once you're moving, it's so much easier.
Like pushing a heavy object. Starting is hard, but once it's moving,
It keeps going with much less effort.
so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, speak.
Don't think, don't prepare, don't perfect.
Just start.
And let the words follow.
They will.
They always do once you start, even imperfectly. Especially imperfectly.
Which brings us to trick 3.
Intentional imperfection.
Oh, this one is counterintuitive.
Very counterintuitive.
What does it mean?
Most learners are trying to speak perfect English. Every sentence, every word, perfect.
And that perfectionism is exactly what creates the fear.
Because the stakes feel impossibly high.
If every sentence must be perfect, then every sentence is a potential failure,
And your brain treats potential failure as danger,
which triggers the fear response.
which freezes you.
So the fix is to intentionally lower the stakes.
By giving yourself permission to be imperfect.
On purpose.
Yes, actively decide before a conversation, I am going to make mistakes today, and that is fine.
You're removing the possibility of failure.
Because imperfection was already the plan.
So there's nothing to fear.
Exactly. You can't fail at something you've already accepted.
That is genuinely clever.
And here is the thing about imperfection in real conversations.
Native speakers don't care.
They genuinely do not care about your grammar mistakes.
They care about connection.
Are you warm? Are you trying? Are you engaged?
That's what they respond to.
Think about when someone speaks to you in your language, but imperfectly.
Do you judge them harshly?
Or do you feel impressed they're trying?
Impressed, always impressed.
You appreciate the effort.
You want to help them, connect with them.
You don't think less of them for the mistakes.
You think more of them for trying.
Native speakers feel the same about you,
When you speak English imperfectly,
with warmth and effort.
they want to help, they want to connect,
The imperfection actually invites warmth.
rather than judgment,
Perfectionism pushes people away.
because it creates distance.
You're performing instead of connecting.
And people feel that distance.
But imperfection makes you human,
And humans connect with humans.
not with perfect grammar machines.
Ha! Nobody wants to talk to a grammar machine.
Not even grammar teachers.
Ha! Probably especially not grammar teachers.
Okay, so let's talk about how to actually apply these 3 tricks
Practically, in real situations.
before a conversation with a native speaker.
Step 1. Remind yourself of the spotlight effect.
They are not watching you as closely as you think.
They have their own spotlight to worry about.
Step 2. Use the 5-second rule.
Feel the hesitation. Count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, speak.
Don't wait for perfect conditions.
Perfect conditions never come.
Step 3. Give yourself permission to be imperfect.
Say it to yourself before you start. I will make mistakes today, and that is completely okay.
That single thought removes so much pressure.
You'll feel it immediately when you say it,
A physical release of tension.
because the impossible standard just got lifted,
And connection became the goal instead of perfection.
which is actually achievable.
Every single time.
Okay, let's also address something important.
What if you do make a noticeable mistake?
And the other person looks confused.
Or asks you to repeat yourself?
Most learners treat this as a catastrophe.
Their face goes red, they apologize excessively.
The whole energy collapses.
But locals handle this completely differently.
They just say, sorry, let me rephrase that.
And try again.
No embarrassment, no excessive apology.
Just a calm, neutral correction.
What I meant was,
Let me put it another way.
actually, I think the word I want is...
All completely normal, all completely fine.
Even native speakers say these things.
Because even native speakers misspeak.
All the time.
The difference is they don't treat it as a disaster.
They just course correct and keep going.
And you can do exactly the same.
Mistake happens, rephrase, move on.
No drama, no apology spiral.
Just momentum.
Okay, one more thing I want to address. The idea that you need to be fluent before speaking to natives.
Oh yes, this one stops so many people.
I'll talk to native speakers when my English is good enough.
But your English gets good enough by talking to native speakers.
The chicken and the egg.
You cannot reach fluency without the very practice you're avoiding.
Waiting for fluency to arrive before practicing.
Is like waiting to be fit before going to the gym.
You go to the gym to get fit.
You talk to natives to get fluent.
There is no other path.
And every native speaker you talk to,
Makes the next one easier.
and the one after that, easier still.
Until one day, it just feels normal.
Not scary, just normal.
That day comes faster than you think.
If you start now, with imperfection, with courage,
With the 5-second rule.
and the knowledge that nobody is watching as closely as you think.
Okay, full recap of today. Trick 1. The spotlight effect.
People are not judging you as closely as you think.
They're in their own spotlight, just like you.
Trick 2, the 5-second rule.
Count down from 5 and speak before fear stops you.
The first word is the hardest. After that, momentum takes over.
Trick 3. Intentional imperfection.
Give yourself permission to make mistakes before you start.
Remove the impossible standard. Connection becomes the goal.
And if a mistake happens, rephrase and move on.
No disaster, no apology spiral.
Just course correct and keep going.
And most importantly, start now.
Not when your English is perfect.
Not when you feel ready.
Now, with the English you have today,
Because today's imperfect conversation,
is what builds tomorrow's fluency.
there is no shortcut around that.
But there is a way through it.
And it starts with 5 seconds of courage.
Just 5 seconds.
You can do 5 seconds.
Everyone can do 5 seconds.
So go find the native speaker today
Online, in person, wherever you can.
and use your 5 seconds.
We believe in every single one of you.
Completely.
Okay, listeners, if this episode helped you today, please share it with someone who is afraid to speak English.
They need these 3 tricks.
Leave a comment below. Tell us which trick hit hardest for you.
The spotlight effect, the 5-second rule, or intentional imperfection.
We read every comment.
And subscribe for a new episode every week.
Right here on the Lingo Listen.
Until next time.